Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Expobar espresso machine, and this machine wasn't heating, and so the issue was, or it was overheating actually, and so we replaced the pressure sensor here, and also the vacuum release valve was leaking, so we replaced that, and what else? We recommended an overhaul of the brew group because it's leaking here and leaking here, but the customer decided not to do that, so we're not going to actually pull a shut. We're just going to show the functions with a blind filter basket in. So you can see it's leaking when you pull a shot, and from here, which is really bad because your shot pressure is going to be super low, and it's also leaking here from the portafilter. And then let's go ahead and check the steam. See, we're getting nice strong steam. And hot water, and you can see that the pressure is not going above 1 bar, so that's good. And it's really loud when it heats. That's interesting, kind of unusual. So thank you for repairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.